Hello friends, welcome. In the previous video we worked with posts and we checked if we can see if you don't have a post, we can see this text no posts here in the welcome. If we have post, we can see the post title. In this video I'm going to check for the user, I'm going to test the user. So if we go to the /posts, we redirect to back if we are not logged in, and also if I go in the routes, web route, we need to be admin to see the post route. Okay, so let's go and register a new user. I'm going to say admin. Okay, now we don't see the posts here and also the tags. And if I navigate to the post, we say 403 forbidden. And I'm going to check that. So if the user is not admin, cannot navigate to the post. And also if that is admin, can see the post. So let's go here and change this is admin to B1. So right now, if we navigate in the post, yeah, we can see the post route because we are admin. So let's go and create first a test, PHP artisan make test, and I'm going to name it user test. Okay, let's go, and first I'm going to check not post test, the user test. Here we have an example. Let's use the refresh database. And what I'm going to check, the first one is if we are not logged in, so we cannot go in the dashboard. Next, I'm going to check for the if we are not admin, cannot see the posts. And the last one, if we are admin, can see the posts here. So let's see. Response this get dashboard. And if we are not logged in, we can see the assert status 302, which means redirect. So because if we are not logged in, we redirect to the login page if we navigate in the dashboard. Okay. So let's say test the unauthenticated user cannot see the dashboard. Okay, and now we have this one. So let's save and let's run the test. You test, and we have, okay, 5 tests and 9 assertions. So we have 2 tests here, we have 2 tests here, and 1 here. So it means 5 tests. Okay. Now I'm going to test if as a user, I'm going to create a new user and I'm going to act as a user and if we can see the dashboard. So create new function and test the authenticated user now can see the dashboard. And for full testing tutorial, I have a full tutorial in this channel, so you can go and check that. So here I'm going to create a new user first. I'm going to say $user to be user factory. So import the user model and say factory create to create a new user, and I'm going to say the same thing we have here, but instead of just running like this, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to act as a user. So acting as a user. $user, we need to add the user here. So we are going to act here as a user, which means we are authenticated. And now I'm going to say $response assert status is going to be 200 because we are authenticated. Let's go and check now. You test, and of course we have 6 tests and 10 assertions. It is green and it's okay. Good. Now let's test this user. User cannot see the post page because only the admin can see the post page. I'm going to copy this and say test the authenticated user, authenticated, or just test the normal user. Cannot see the posts. Okay, and let's create a user here, and we are going to act as a user and get /posts. And here we expect to see the 403 error page. So 403. Let's save it and let's run the test again. And of course we have 7 tests and 11 assertions. And if you make a change or make an error, so if I say here 200 and run a test, yeah, of course was one failure because assertion that 200 is identical to 403, and this is the error. The normal user can see the post and expected response status 200 but received 403. Okay, so let's run again, save, and let's test now as an admin user. So I'm going to copy this down there and test the admin user can see the post. Okay, and here I'm going to create not a user but an admin user. So which means here I'm going to say is admin is going to be 1. And if that is 1, is the user is going to be admin. And let's say here admin just to be more. And here we are going to act as admin. And if we can see, we need to see not 403, but 200. Now, if I save this and let's go and run the test. And of course, we have 8 tests and 12 assertions. Very good. So as admin, we can navigate and see the post. As a user, normal user, we cannot see the post. The same thing for the dashboard. And of course, for the tags and so on. So let's copy this, the same thing for the tags. You can see tags, and here we need to say tags, save it, and let's run again the test. And now we have 9 tests and 13 assertions. Okay, friends, now if you want full tutorial, as I said before, you can find the full tutorial for testing in this channel, or if you want pest testing also, you can find in this channel. All the best, friends, and that's it, the last video about this tutorial. I hope you enjoy, and if you like a content like this, subscribe to my channel and like the video. All the best, friends. Thank you very much.